Yo guys, what's up? As you can see, I have a huge box here, and this is something I ordered from my buddy TrixComics on Instagram, and I might as well go ahead and spoil it now because it's going to be in the title anyway. This is a PlayStation 2, baby. I saw he had one for sale, and I've been feeling kind of nostalgic to go back and play some of my old favorite games, so I bought this from him. A couple weeks back he sent the cords and the controllers in a separate box, and I'm itching to get this thing plugged up and try it out. Alright, I got it cut open. And if you guys don't know TrixComics, his Instagram will be linked below in the description. And I believe it's this Friday coming up. He's doing a live auction with Ravenous Kells on her YouTube channel. I'll also link that in the description for you guys to check out. Package this thing super well. Yo, dude. Man, I was not expecting this. Looks like he threw in some comics. Thank you, brother. I'll get that open in a second. Oh, there it is, baby, the PS2. Alright, got my knife here. That ASMR bubble wrap going. Hey dude, I feel super nostalgic just holding one of these again. Like I was saying, some of my absolute favorite games were on PlayStation 2. Sorry, SmackDown, Here Comes the Pain. God, so many. And of course I'm going to draw a blank when I'm trying to think of a bunch. Hot Shots Golf, Need for Speed Underground, Tony Hawk's American Wasteland. I'm going to be hitting eBay and buying a bunch of old PlayStation 2 games. Let's get this thing hooked up. Alright, well, after moving a bunch of stuff around and sweating for a little bit and getting everything hooked up, I realized it does not work with a 4K TV. I'm going to have to order an adapter, and when that comes in, I'll show you guys some footage of the PlayStation 2 in action. Till then, let's get this book open. No idea he was sending a book along with it. Alright, let's see what we got. Yo, got some Bronze Age Super Team Family. Issue 6. I haven't even heard of Super Team Family before. I've heard of Superman Family, but not Super Team Family. That's pretty sweet. Oh, dude. Check it out. They're fighting the composite Superman on the cover. That is dope. We got Superman for Animals, issue 1. I think this was a promotional comic. Pretty cool cover. We got a sweet Bizarro cover here. Is that? Hold on a second. It feels like there's more than one book in here. But we got Man of Steel issue 5 from the John Byrne miniseries. Got Bizarro knocking out Supes. And we have issue 6 in there. Awesome, dude. There's one more book here, and dude, this is an early Silver Age, 1957 it says. Awesome Superman cover. Superman book, issue 111. That is wicked cool, dude. Love these Silver Age books. Thanks, brother. Very much appreciated. That's it for this one. Don't forget the links to TrixComics on Instagram will be below, as well as the auction he's doing with Ravenous Kells. The link to her YouTube channel will be down there too. Check that out. It's this Friday. I can't remember the time, but All the details will be below. Peace, guys. Catch you in the next one.
What did you say his power level is? It's over 9,000!